Whenever you have a meal or snack, have a plant. Here's how to get the most out of your fruits and vegetables when shopping, storing, and prepping. When grocery shopping, look for produce without blemishes, such as bruises, bug holes, mold, and wilting. There is not one single best way to store produce. For example, you'll want to store fresh asparagus and herbs standing up, ends trimmed and in water with a plastic bag covering the tips. Save on prep time so fruits and vegetables are ready when you are. An easy snack solution when craving something with crunch is to have celery stalks prepared ahead of time. Simply trim rinsed celery and store in a water bath. Pair up stalks with protein partners like Greek yogurt dip, hummus, and nut butter. For more tips like these, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.